Fame Frequency turns 1 year at the end of the month, and with what was delivered on Saturday night, fans are ready for a musical adventure leading up to the big anniversary event. The party, which featured global music, was one for the books, as Fame 95 FM DJs Kevin and King Taj, along with Hits 92 FM DJs Roderick and Xavier, presented a master mix of international favorites, including Afrobeat, hip-hop, R&B, soca, with a reggae and dancehall crossover.
It was global frequency. There was nothing we didn't play. Everything get played. Everybody performed well. Of course, the Zoomers had a great time. Gotta big up the sponsors. Every week it shot. Big up.
Try our best. Put on some Latin, some dancehall, some hip hop, some this and that, a little bit of everything to make the party nice. So yeah, as per usual frequency, always popping.
Fame Frequency, global frequency was global for real.
The popular Fame Frequency broadcast-driven event has garnered fans from across the world, some joining each and every Saturday from the start of the show almost a year ago. Fame Frequency heads across the Caribbean with a soca-infused event this Saturday. I'm Deidre reporting for ePrime.